Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your YouTube channel temporarily using a browser on your computer. This works on PC, Chromebook, and any desktop browser. If this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Now let's get started. Open a browser and go to youtube.com. Log into your YouTube account. YouTube allows you to hide your channel, which makes your channel page, playlists, and content invisible to others. While your channel is hidden, you won't be able to comment, but you can still watch videos. You can unhide your channel anytime using the same settings. Now click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. In the left side menu, click Advanced Settings. Next, select Delete Channel. Don't worry, we are not deleting it. Choose the option that says I want to hide my content. You'll see a list of what will be hidden, including your channel page, name, and subscriptions. Click Hide My Content. Enter your account password to confirm. Once confirmed, your YouTube channel will now be hidden. And that's it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more simple tech guides.